still broke in 2026. Let me show you something crazy. I was literally wasting hours every single day scrolling, doing nothing, no money coming in, no real skills, just stuck. Then one day, I found ChatGPT and honestly everything changed. I started simple. I asked it to write YouTube scripts for me, then I used those scripts to create videos and just uploaded them. At first, I didn't expect anything, but within a few days my videos started getting views, and then I made my first money online. And here's the crazy part, it's not just YouTube. You can use this for freelancing, content writing, social media posts, even starting your own online business. People are literally making money with this every single day, and most beginners don't even know about it yet. So if you're still not using ChatGPT in 2026, you're already behind. Start today, take action, or you're going to regret it later.